Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 8 and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's first of all switch to the video one. Just tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Unfortunately, the resolution is not highlighted here, so we have to enter the settings. So let's tap on this option, and there in the video settings section we've got the video resolution, so let's tap. In this device we've got two different options, so 720p, which is currently applied and is recommended, or 1080p. Both of the options had the same ratio, so 16:9. So let's simply tap on the option we'd like to apply. As you can see, it will be notified here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.